Get your ass in here and sit down. Now, I'm sure everybody heard of ball lightning because people simply have an excuse for everything. But I'm getting ready to show you a video, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna give you my 5 cents about this. Roll the footage. Okay, listen, I get it. The ball lightning exists, so they say. But that ball of light is intelligent. Do you see how it just cruises through the house? It dodges the walls. It knows where it's going. It's going from room to room, and then all of a sudden it trashes the idiot box. Come on now. Use your head for more than a hat rack. Get your ass up out of here.